Children, let us discuss the problems from exercise 6.4. Here the questions: is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? So first measures 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So here we can see that 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So what is the condition of sides of a triangle? That is A, B and C are three sides of a triangle. Then A plus B is always greater than C, or B plus C is greater than A plus C is greater than B. So here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It is not greater than 5. So it is not possible to construct the triangle with the measure 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The next question: 3, 6 and 7. So what is 3 plus 6? It is 9, 9 greater than 7. 6 plus 7, 13, 13 greater than 3. Then 3 plus 7, 10, 10 greater than 6. So we can construct a triangle with the measures 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. The next one, 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So how we can construct this triangle? Here we can see that 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 is less than 6. But others are possible. So here also we can't able to construct a triangle with these sides. Next question: a triangle PQR is given and O is any point interior of triangle PQR. And the question is OP plus OQ greater than PQ, OR plus OQ greater than QR, OR plus OP greater than PR. So for that we want to join O with P, O with Q, O with R. Then we can give 3 triangles. So take the two sides of the triangle, that is OP and OQ. Then which is the third side, that is PQ. So OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Second one, OR and OP. So OR and OP is greater than PR. Third one, OQ and OR is greater than QR. So these three conditions can be satisfied since O is interior of triangle PQR. In the third one, AM is the median of triangle ABC. The question is AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2AM, that is 2 of median. So we want to take the two triangles, that is triangle AMC and triangle AMB. So in triangle AMC, the sum of these two is greater than third side. So AC plus CM is greater than AM. Since AM is the median, we can write CM and BM are equal. Since AM is the median of the triangle ABC, we can write CM is equal to BM. AM is the median, so that divides the opposite side into two equal parts. That is AM divides BC into two equal parts, that is CM and BM. Then consider the triangle AMC, then AC plus CM is greater than AM. Then consider the second triangle. So here AB plus BM is greater than AM. Then we can add these two. So what we will get, AC plus CM plus AB plus BM greater than AM plus AM is 2AM. So AC plus, here CM and BM. What is CM and BM here? That is BC. CM plus BM. So AC plus BC plus AB is greater than 2AM. So that we proved is AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2A. Let us do the fourth question from the exercise 6.2. Here, is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD in this quadrilateral ABCD? So here ABCD is a quadrilateral and we can see that DB and AC are the diagonals. So we can take the two triangles, that is ABC, triangle ABC and triangle AD. Let's see four triangles. That is triangle ABC at first, triangle ABC, and then triangle BCD, which is the triangle BCD, and triangle CDA, CDA, and triangle ADB. So we want to take these four triangles and we want to compare the length of that sides of quadrilateral and third side is diagonal. That's the way we are taking the triangle. So here AB and BC are the sides of the quadrilateral and AC is the diagonal of the quadrilateral. And BC and CD are the sides of the quadrilateral and BD is the diagonal and the remaining two also. That is the way we are taking the four triangles. How we can prove this result? So we want to add all these 1, 2, 3, 4. All these we want to add. Then what we will get? So AB plus BC plus BC plus CD plus CD plus AD plus AB plus DA. After adding, we will get AB plus BC, that is the first one, plus second one, BC plus CD, plus third one, CD plus AD, plus fourth one, AP plus BD. So this is greater than, that is AC plus BD plus AC plus BD. So here, how many ABs are there? 2 AB. How many BCs are there? 2 BC. How many CDs are there? 2 CD and 2 AB. So we can write 2 into AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than, so 2 into AC plus BD. So we can cancel these two, then at last we will get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. So we got the result. First we want to take the four triangles, then sum of two triangles, sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. Thus, then we can add all these four, then we will get this inequality. Then after cancelling these two, then we got the result AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus AD. So we completed this fourth question. Next question. Consider a quadrilateral ABCD and we can mark a point P as a start. The diagonal intersect at the point P. Then we want to take the four triangles. Here which are the four triangles? Triangle APB, triangle APB, triangle BPC, triangle PCD and triangle PAD. So these are the four triangles. Then we want to write the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So let us write PA plus PB greater than AB. And next one, PD plus PC greater than BC, the second triangle. Third triangle, PC plus PD greater than CD. And the fourth triangle, AP plus DP greater than AD. So these are the four inequality. Then we want to add. Then we will get PA plus PB, PB plus PC, PC plus PD, AP plus DP. So how many APs are there? So 1, 2 AP. 2 AP plus 2 PB plus 2 PC plus 2 DP greater than AD plus BC plus CD plus AD. Then we can write AP plus PC. So we can add AP plus PC. What is it? It is the diagonal AC. So 2 into AP plus PC plus 2 into PB plus DP, which is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Then we can write 2 into AP plus PC is AC plus 2 into DB. PB plus PD is 2 DB greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Then we can take 2 outside, then we will get 2 into AC plus DB greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So we throw the result. The last question from the exercise. 2 sides of the triangle are given as 12 cm and 50 cm. So between 2 numbers, the third side we call. So what is the length of the third side? That is the question. So we know that sum of 2 sides is always greater than the third side. So if you are taking 12 plus 50, which is equal to 27. So the third side should be less than 27. And which is the minimum distance, minimum length of the third side. So what is 15 minus 12? 15 minus 12 is 3. So in between 3 and 27, the third side should be, that means difference of the length and sum of the length. Sum of the length is 27 and difference is 3. That means in between 3 and 27, the length of the third side. Clear? So this is the way we can complete the exercise. The next one is Pythagoras theorem.